how's it going? Your mate Benny Mac, back in the Scale Model Garage. I hope you're doing well, my friends. Nice overcast, rainy day here in Queensland, and had some spare time, guys. So as promised last week, I'll do another completed build video that I did over the Easter break, and we have the MercTank for you today, my friends. If you've been following the channel for a while, I think this thing's been lingering on the bench for probably 5 years or more now. One of those builds that just kept getting pushed to the side of the bench. But yeah, really happy with how it came out in the end, guys. I could carry on and do some more weathering, and you know, it's one of those builds, sort of where do you finish, but I'm pretty happy with how it looks at the moment. And basically it's a mix of the Academy's 1 in 35th scale M48 A5K pattern tank, which basically used all the bottom hull and the tracks and some of the turrets and the spare wheels and a couple bits and pieces of that. And then the rest of it is AMT's 49 Mercury, which I basically cut right across the trim line there, and I thought both the kits matched up nicely and the curves looked good. And if you guys have seen a previous build, the Zombie Rake, which was another 49 Merc Zombie Hunter build sort of that I did a long time ago, I'll throw a quick photo up now actually so you can have a look. So yeah, I reckon they'll look really good sitting next to each other together. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I scratch built the trailer out of some spare parts and did the old trick with the tissue and white glue and made the tarp effect on the back. Thought that looked really cool. Actually, I was going to get a rope and tie around there, and I'll do that yet. But yeah, that's about it, fellas. I'll throw a few photos up here at the end with a slideshow. But as always, mate, cheers for watching and subscribing. And sure, mate, Benny Mac, saying you have yourself a good day, eh? All night, wherever you're from. See you in the next video.